Over 250 million years ago, long before the Alps were formed, this area was a tropical sea. Coral reefs, shells and marine life built up layers of limestones over millions of years, later lifted high by the immense forces of Earth's crust. This is how they formed, the Dolomites. Rugged, pale and unlike any other mountain range. Since 2009, the Dolomites have been part of the UNESCO World Natural Heritage. Today, they attract over 4 million visitors each year from all over the world. Hikers, climbers, photographers and nature lovers. A mountain range that fascinates not only with its beauty, but also with its diversity. Here you will find postcard-perfect landmarks known around the globe. The Emerald Lake Brace, known for its idyllic setting and rustic rowboats. The idyllic Venus Valley, framed by dramatic peaks. The legendary Lake Misurina, surrounded by stunning mountain views. The striking ridges of Seceda cutting sharply into the sky. And the gentle meadows of the Alpe di Suisi, the largest alpine pasture in Europe. But among all these treasures, one landmark stands out, the very symbol of the Dolomites, the Tre Cime di Lavaredo, or better known as the Three Peaks. Three distinctive rock towers rising like a stone monument into the sky, a shape so iconic that it's instantly recognizable even from afar. In today's vlog, we will take you on the circular hike around this natural wonder. A true classic, loved for its unforgettable views, its deep connection to history and the unique energy of this place. So sit back, relax and enjoy the magic of this breathtaking scenery, because our journey around the Tre Cime di Lavaredo begins now. An important note at the start: from summer 2025, a new entry system will be in place. Access to Rifugio Auronzo will only be possible with a pre-booked online ticket. Be sure to reserve online in advance, especially during the high season. This is an absolute must for a relaxed day in the Dolomites. You will find the booking link in the video description below.
Wonderful good morning here from South Tyrol, better said from the Tre Cime di Lavaredo. Today we will start our round tour here at the Auronzo Hut. It's shortly after 8 in the morning and we are so excited about this tour. So what to see along the way, what to consider, you will see in that video. Have fun! We are going to start our tour counterclockwise around Tre Cime di Lavaredo today. So the first part will be around 30-minute walk from the Auronzo Hut to the Lavaredo Hut. It's a very moderate walk. It's, as you can see, a very nice trail to walk. And let's see what we will see along the way. Also there the rescuer have the training with the helicopter. And we have a really nice temperature now. It's around 15 degrees. We have perfectly weather today. No clouds, just a little bit foggy in the valleys down there. And also not that many people. As you can see in the morning, it's very calm. That's what we like. part 2 of the trail. It's a little bit more to hike. It's not that flat anymore, but anyway, it's easy going. And now we are heading from Lavaredo Hut to the Lavaredo saddle, where you can see the first glimpse of the world famous north sides of the Tre Cime di Lavaredo. Absolutely spectacular here. We are on part 3 of our trail tour from the Lavaredo saddle to the Tre Cime di Lavaredo Hut. From there you have the most iconic view to the world famous sign of the Dolomites. For now it will take us approximately 30 to 40 minutes to arrive at the hut, and now I will take you a little bit along the gravels here. So enjoy and look at this absolutely amazing view.
The Tre Cime di Lavaredo, or Three Peaks, consists of 3 striking peaks: Cima Grande, Cima Ovest and Cima Piccola. They are a world-renowned symbol of mountaineering. The first documented ascent of Cima Grande took place in 1869, a milestone in the history of climbing.
We are on the last meters to the Tre Cime di Lavaredo Hut, and if you could see the view I have now, I guess you will go crazy because it's absolutely amazing. I will show you in a bit.
Here are a few facts about Rifugio Tre Cime. It is located at around 2,400 meters above sea level and it's open seasonally. The hike to the hut takes about 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on your route and pace. More information regarding the exact opening hours you can find in the video description below.
We arrived at the Tre Cime di Lavaredo Hut and it's an absolutely amazing day. We have no clouds, we have blue sky. There are very few people here right now. I guess this will change in the next 1 to 2 hours massively. And we decided to take a little hike up here to this mountain right behind the hut. I have no idea how the peak is called, but I will tell you in a second. I would say let's hike up and see you at the top. So this is the peak we're trying to hike now. It's the Via Ferrata Torre di Toblin. I have no idea if you can see that. It's like a little bit of a gravelly road here. But look at this view. Love it. Here we are. In back you can see the Via Ferrata I told you before. But as we have our dog with us, we decided for the other side, where one has the most iconic view to the Tre Cime di Lavaredo. So really nice, looking forward to that view now. If you plan or like to hike up here, make sure to do that in the morning hours, because in the afternoon I guess it will be crazy hot. There's a little bit of steep, it's a little bit of a gravel trail up here, so consider that before go up. And now I'm curious to that absolutely amazing view. This is absolutely magnificent. Furry friends are very, very welcome here in the Dolomites as well. There's just one rule: to keep them on the leash wherever you go. We are back down at the Tre Cime di Lavaredo hut, and the plan was to take a little break here to have a nice cool drink and just to rest a bit, but unfortunately the hut is closed, so we will head to the next part of our trail in direction to the Long Alm, and this will take around 1 hour walk. And what's along the way? Let's see at map. So now we have 12 o'clock noon, and if you look around, it's a lot of people already hiking and walking and climbing, all of that stuff. But still, you can find places or corners where there is nobody. Look at this, I'm totally alone here enjoying the silence, the beautiful nature. So it's always worth to go the extra mile and to find a quiet place here in this very busy area. About this area, from the Tre Cime di Lavaredo hut to the Lange Alm, I talk it in German, it's about a mixture of a little bit of a gravel trail with loose stones and small rocks, and also very moderate and nice paths, so where it's very safe to walk. Here you have to be a little bit careful because everything is loose here, but overall it's really, really nice. Now you can see all the way back there. We have to go now. Looking forward to that, and see you there. So the last part of the way to the Lange Alm is quite steep, as you can see behind me, and also we have a little bit left to hike up. It's quite warm, sun is shining, but we will make it.
A tip for your hike: sturdy hiking shoes are a must. The terrain can be rocky and steep. Also bring enough water and snack to stay energized along the way, as temperatures can change quickly at high altitudes, so don't forget to bring a wind and rainproof jacket. Sunscreen, a hat and sunglasses will protect you from the strong mountain sun. And pack a power bank to make sure your camera lasts for the entire hike.
After a short and much needed break at the Langalm, which with the South Tyrolean dialect is pronounced Longe Albe, we are on our way back to the Auronzo hut where we started our tour today in the morning. And it's really nice way, our path better said. It's very moderate. From time to time it's a little bit with loose rocks and stones, but nothing difficult here. After a short and much needed break at the Lange Albe, which in the South Tyrolean dialect is pronounced Longe Albe, we are on our way back to the Auronzo hut where we've started our tour today in the morning. So we are enjoying the last section of our tour. Now we have a little bit more clouds on the sky, so really pleasant to walk. It's not that hot and also not that many people here on this side. This will take us around 30 to 40 minutes, and I would suggest see each other there. We made it back to the parking lot where we started our tour today in the morning, and it was absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's always a pleasure to be here in this absolutely unique landscape and region of the Tre Cime di Lavaredo in South Tyrol. So if you are here in the region or close by, make sure to check this out, because everybody can find something here, as you can adjust the tour however you like it. Just a short information regarding the time you need for doing this trip. So if you take the walk all in once, you will take 3 to 4 hours and then you are done. So, and if you want to stretch it with via ferrata or climbing another peak, then it will extend. Yes, therefore you can make a half-day trip or a entire day trip out of it. It's highly recommended if you are in the region or, as said, close by. Make sure to check this out. And for that, I say thank you for tuning in again, watching our videos. If you have been here at the Tre Cime di Lavaredo or have questions or whatever, we really appreciate if you write us in the comments below. Otherwise, I say thank you for being here with us today and see you in one of our next videos. Bye bye!
Want to make sure you never miss one of our videos in the future? Then subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. This helps us produce even more videos in the future. For those who want to watch our videos in German, hop over to our channel lifemuchmore to subscribe the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. With that said, make life your most extraordinary journey and see you in the next one.